at that. Look at them. A family. Ah. You get 8 piglets. Wow. Dami yun. May mga biik. Biik guys. Dami. Bye. Takbo na sila. Lala. Come on, look at that. I have 8 piglets.
8.
8, 2 big ones.
And what, like 2 big ones, 6 small ones?
No, it's 8 total piglets.
Yeah, 2
And
big
2
ones,
adults.
2 adults, 6
So
small.
10. No, 10.
Oh, 2 adults, 8.
8 piglets. Yeah. Wow.
Oh my god,
So cute, right?
so big.
We're so lucky.
Yes.
Okay,
Let's go.
let them live, okay?
Find like the dogs here.